What's up? I'm Vaughn. I'm a software engineer, and I'm not a marketer. Yeah, I'm still making over $50,000 a month, every single month, from Facebook organic traffic, no paid ads. So if you don't believe me, don't worry. Right in just a second, I'm going to show you literally social proof. I'm going to log right into my Stripe account, and I'm literally going to show you social proof of exactly how much money I am making each and every day, each and every month, and how much I've actually been making for literally the last 24 months, so that you know that this is actually real. But first, I just want to show you my company Tier 5 and just let you have a look around here and get you to actually understand that every single one of these people, all these people, we have over 50 full-time employees and a dog and monkeys, and everyone here, this entire company has been funded from Facebook, from the things that I'm going to teach you for free if you sign up for my free training. To get my free training, literally all you have to do is put your name and email in the box right below here, and I'm going to get you set up with my training. It's 100% free, and literally I'm going to go over exactly what I've been doing on a consistent basis and what you should be doing on Facebook if you want to crush it. These things that I'm going to show you are literally proven things that I have been doing that have allowed me to make over $50,000 a month every single month from Facebook, and it's allowed me to literally fund an entire company with more than 50 full-time employees, all from Facebook organic traffic. All right, so again, it's 100% free. All you have to do is put your name and email right down below, and you'll get into the free training. So now I'm just going to go in, and I'm literally going to show you social proof. I'm not a guru, so I'm not going to sit here and say I'm a guru. I'm not a marketer, but these things work if you just apply them. So now what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to log into my Stripe account, and I'm going to show you physical social proof, real-time evidence that the income claims that I'm making right above are 100% true. You can look just by seeing in my Stripe account right now. All right, so as promised, I'm taking you right inside my Stripe account to show you physical social proof so that you know that my income claims are 100% true. So as you can see, I'm just hitting refresh up here on the page a couple times because a lot of people like to say, since I'm a software engineer, I know how to fake all this stuff. All right, so I'm just hitting refresh so you can see what's going on here. And I'm just going to actually show you right inside my Stripe account. All right, so you can see already today, I've made $518 already today. Yesterday, I made $405. Let's look the day before that. I made $889. The day before that, $1,162. The day before that, $4,282. The day before that, $1,192. The day before that, $834. The day before that, $1,812. The day before that, $3,561. The day before that, $6,329. The day before that, $1,600. Before that, $2,200. Before that, $2,100. Before that, $1,500. Before that, $1,400. Before that, $2,000. All right, $7,000 on January 1st. $18,000 that day. $3,000 that day. $2,000 that day. $1,100 that day. $2,600 that day. $24,000 on that day, the day after Christmas. On Christmas Day, $1,300. The day before that, $1,400. The day before that, $1,400. The day before that, $1,700. Before that, $2,200. Before that, $800. Before that, $3,000. Before that, $1,900. Before that, $1,000. And before that, $3,800. Before that, $825. Before that, $885. Before that, $1,500. Before that, $1,200. Before that, $4,000. Before that, $5,000. $3,700. $4,700. $1,500. $1,500. $2,700. $1,500. $1,000. $1,700. $3,900. Let's look and see today. Again, today was just so far $518. And the last 1 week, $9,000. In the last 4 weeks, $99,000. And the last 4 weeks. And the last 1 year, $911,000. And if you do the math, let's do the math, 911,000 divided by 12, that is $75,000 a month that I've averaged every single month for the last 12 months. All right, if we look all together, 1.7 $1.74 million, so almost $2 million. If you look over here at monthly recurring revenue, this is revenue that comes in now every single month that I don't have to do anything for. It just comes in autopilot. $73,000 a month comes in every single month on autopilot. So I just actually wanted to log in real quick to my Stripe page so that you could actually see that I'm not making these income claims up. This is real money. It's not any type of falsification. I've went in and literally showed you social proof right inside everything. If you want to look and see on the money that's being paid out actually to my bank account, you can look and see $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. So far, in January, I've already sent $60,000 to my bank account, $20,000, $5,000, $3,000, $7,000. You can look and see, if I keep going back, you can see all these payouts, $39,000 in September, then another 10. So look at all these payouts that are literally cash money getting paid out to my bank account every single month. As you can see, $32,000, $30,000, $50,000, $15,000, $10,000, $10,000. All this money actually getting paid out from my bank account. This is literally coming from what I'm going to teach you for free inside this course. It's literally me just doing what I teach you inside this course. That's where this comes from. And I'm going back all the way. If you're looking to 2018, you can see constant payouts that are going out to my Stripe account. Look, on a daily basis, every single day, $3,000, $1,000 every single day, money going out to my bank account. From what? From literally what I'm going to go in and I'm going to teach you for free. This is literally coming from the things that I do on Facebook that I am going to teach you for free, 100% free. All you have to do is put your name and email in the box below, and I'll literally give you my free training that other people will charge you $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for this. I'm giving it to you for free. Just put your name and email in the box below.